Good evening, everyone. This is your weather update for the next few days, and it looks like we're in for quite a ride across the country. Let's dive right into the forecast for Friday, December 27th through Sunday, December 29th, 2024. First up, the northwestern U.S. is bracing for a stormy weekend. Heavy rainfall and snow are expected as a series of Pacific storm systems make their way inland. Starting Thursday night, we'll see a significant increase in precipitation, especially across Northern California and the Pacific Northwest. This new Pacific shortwave trough, along with an atmospheric river surge, will intensify the rainfall. We're looking at a potential rainfall rates of a half an inch to 3/4 of an inch per hour in some areas, especially in southwestern Oregon and northwest California, where totals could reach between 3 to 6 inches by Friday morning. With the ground already saturated, this brings a heightened risk for flooding, particularly in urban areas like the San Francisco Bay region, which is now under a marginal risk for heavy rain and urban flooding concerns. If you're in these areas, be prepared for possible road closures and challenging travel conditions. Now, shifting our focus to the lower Mississippi Valley and the southern Appalachians, we're seeing an increasingly wet pattern developing here as well. Rain will start moving into the Tennessee Valley and the mid-Atlantic, bringing much-needed moisture to these areas that have been experiencing drought conditions. Expect heavy rain to spread eastward through the weekend, with localized flash flooding a concern, especially in urban areas where water tends to accumulate. Rainfall rates could hit 1 to 2 inches per hour in some spots, so stay alert if you're in these areas. Now, here's something interesting. When it's stormy in many places, Arctic air is notably absent across the lower 48. This means that we're looking at much above average temperatures for many areas. In fact, we could see record high morning lows across much of the central and upper Mississippi Valley. That's right, folks. Get ready for a mild end to December. Temperatures well above normal in many areas. This is a bit of a switch from the cooler conditions we've seen earlier this month, especially east of the Mississippi. To sum it all up, if you're in the northwest, heavy rain and snow with totals of 3 to 6 inches in the coastal ranges and 1 to 3 feet of snow in the mountains. In the lower Mississippi Valley and the southern Appalachians, wet weather is on the way, bringing a risk of flash flooding and severe weather, tornadoes too. Now, temperatures much above average across the country with potential record highs. That's all for your weather forecast. Stay safe out there and keep an eye on the skies as we head into the stormy weekend. I'll be back with more updates as these systems develop. Until then, stay warm and enjoy the weather wherever you are.